Alright guys, if you have problems with fruit flies, I'm going to show you a safer alternative that's organic with no harmful chemicals, and it will help eliminate fruit flies in your house. You're going to need 5 items. You're going to need a bottle, some tape, something to cut. I have scissors, you can use a knife or whatever you want. Some dishwashing soap, and some apple cider vinegar. And what you're going to do is get your bottle, cut it in half, put a little bit of your apple cider vinegar in your bottle, and a couple of drops of your dishwashing liquid. And what this will do, it will attract the fruit flies. Just tape this back on like this, upside down. Apply the tape so it'll have a nice seal, so the fruit flies will not be able to get back out. The tape's kind of getting jacked up on me. So have a nice tight seal right there. And what will happen is they will go into here and get with the smell of the apple cider vinegar, it will allow them to get trapped into here, and that will help eliminate your fruit fly problems. My wife just used a jar, and here's the results of what it can do. She poked holes on the top so that it'll allow them to get in and won't get out. But with this thing, like I said, once again, this fruit fly trap will catch fruit flies and will help eliminate your fruit fly problems. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.